Hello, let's take a look at what's changing at Murray-LaSaine Elementary. Renovations to the school are made possible from the 1-cent sales tax. Let's take a look on what's going on inside. Let's compare some of the old and new spaces, like the front office. As you walk into the school, you're greeted with high ceilings and a more welcoming front desk. The space where the office used to be is now a large multi-purpose room. Here we can see one of the new classrooms. The old pod design was outdated for today's teaching. With the renovation, the common areas are smaller and offer a nice storefront to each classroom. Here you can see the old library was dark and lacked walls, so noise was an issue. Here the library will have a proper layout that is conducive for learning. The cafeteria is another area where we can see a great improvement. Murray-LaSaine also grew in size by enclosing a previous outdoor patio. This adds a 940 square foot classroom. Here you can see the new exterior wall for that classroom. A technician is seen here installing a new security camera right above the playground. That completes our construction update for Murray-LaSaine Elementary.